So another implementation problem is weak password recovery or reset solutions. So let's say that you want to change your password. So here you should have a look to see if the current password is confirmed or not. And is a password change form akin to CSRF attack, which we are going to cover in the session management section. But the other thing is, well, that can happen to all of us. We all forget the password, right? I do. Sometimes. Now, what information is required to recover the password? So, here come the secret security questions and maybe second communication channels that proves the real user. And again, the application should confirm the recover request on a second channel. So open up Kali and log into BWAP. From the drop-down menu, open Forgotten function under Broken Authentication. So I'm logged in as the user B, and the level is low. Now, what I expect to see here is to learn my secret or password, because I don't remember. So the application waits for my email address. But there's a problem. What if I don't know my email address? So I'm going to check from my PHP, my admin interface, users table, browse the users. Okay, so this is my email. And I'm going to write it into the input field and click Forgot. And then it immediately prints it to the page. Okay, so you see that this is a bad implementation because it obviously holds the secret or maybe even the password in clear text. Not good. But you know something? You know what's really bad is when you write the email address of another user and you get the user's secret. So if you know the email of any user, you can learn their secret. It's just terrible implementation. So now let's change the level to medium. Okay, so I'm going to enter my user's email address. And this time it sends the secret to my email. Okay, so open up a new tab and go to mailinator.com. So this application provides disposable email boxes. You don't even need to create a real account. So just type the BWAP B into the open inbox for this user. And the first one is the latest message that's come up. So click it. And what do you know? Here's the secret. And it's still in clear text. So why don't we try other email addresses? BWAP user 1 and BWAP user 2. Go to Mailinator again. Open the inbox for BWAP user 1. Here's a secret. And open the inbox for BWAP user 2. You've got mail. So this is really good to send each secret to the real person, but the sensitive information is in clear text. Okay, so let's go back and open BWAP. Change the level to high. So now I'm going to enter my mail address, and this time I will send a reset code. Open Mailinator. Go to Inbox. Here's the latest mail. So as you can see, this time there is a link attached with a reset code. But now go to PHP My Admin, refresh the page. The reset code is stored in the users table in the corresponding user column. Okay, so now click the link in the mail, and it will send us to a change form, and then we can change the secret. So for this kind of option, of course, yes, the mechanism works well. But, for instance, there's no timer for the reset code, right? Also, the reset form is not protected against brute force attacks. There's no CAPTCHA protection. Okay, so open up your terminal now, display the page ba_forgotten.php, and it takes the email from the user. Then after validation, it queries the user table with this email. And if the security level is low, it just prints the secret. If the level is medium, it sends the secret in clear text to the user. And then on this line, when the level is high, it creates a random string. And that is the reset code for the end user. It creates a link containing the reset code. Then it sends it to the user. All right, so in this lesson, we analyzed some really bad implementations of password forgotten functions. Now, of course, in the real world, you will face some others. You will face those, though, too. But I think you get the point, right? And you know where and how to look.